Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to be unboxing this fantastic gift set from the Birmingham Balti Bowl company and showing you how to use the Birmingham Balti Bowl for its first use. Straight out of the box we have a fantastic drawstring storage bag, perfect for easily storing and keeping the bowls scratch free. A couple of well wrapped Balti bowls, I'll come back to them in a minute. A neat pot of garam masala, as well as Balti chicken or veg spice blend from Spice Kitchen UK, a copy of Andy Monroe's Going for Balti, and a guide to help you get the most out of your new Balti bowls. Moving all that out of the way, let's take a look at the bowls themselves. Each bowl comes carefully wrapped and stamped with the Birmingham Balti Bowl details, covered initially in a light coating of vegetable oil to keep them in pristine condition. Time to get the bowls seasoned for use. When the bowls leave the factory, they are coated in a light layer of vegetable oil, which you will need to remove with a little washing up liquid and a soft sponge. Make sure you don't use the abrasive side of a sponge when cleaning, as you don't want to scratch your bowl. Turn your oven on to heat up at around 180 Celsius and thoroughly dry the bowl. Place it in the oven for around 2 to 3 minutes to completely dry before carefully removing and allowing to cool slightly. Take a cloth and wipe a very thin layer of vegetable oil over both the inside and outside of the bowl. Then place them back in the oven, upside down, for around 20 minutes at 220 Celsius. Once the 20 minutes is up, carefully remove the bowl using an oven glove and repeat another thin coat of oil. Pop back in the oven for 20 minutes before repeating for a third time. By now your bowl will have started to obtain a basic level of seasoning to both protect the bowl and allow effortless non-stick cooking, and begun its journey to a well-seasoned, completely black Balti bowls you commonly see online. Over time, as you use the bowl, it will gradually become darker as the seasoning builds with each cook. Just remember to look after your Birmingham Balti bowl after each use by washing carefully, drying well and storing with a little coat of vegetable oil ready for its next use. If you want to accelerate the blackened look of a more aged bowl, simply place the bowl over a high gas flame on max for around 5 minutes. The bowls are safe to use on gas, electric, Aga, induction and barbecues. To watch the Balti Bowl in use, click the link popping up now, and thanks again to the Birmingham Balti Bowl company for sending me this amazing gift set.